Welcome to a new section, focusing on more advanced and functional programming features in Python. We start with Lambda functions. A Lambda function is a small, anonymous function defined in a single line. They're often called anonymous because they don't have a formal name like functions defined with the def keyword. 1. Standard function versus Lambda function. Compare a standard def function, like add_10, to its Lambda equivalent. A standard function requires the def keyword, a name, parentheses for arguments, the return keyword, and a block of indented code. A Lambda function uses the Lambda keyword, followed by arguments, a colon, and the single expression to be returned. 2. The Lambda syntax and structure. The syntax is simply the Lambda keyword, followed by one or more arguments, separated by commas, a colon, and a single expression. The value of this expression is automatically returned, so you don't need the return keyword. 3. Assigning and calling a Lambda. You can assign the Lambda function object to a variable like my_Lambda. Then you call the variable name with arguments just like a normal function. However, the primary use case for Lambdas is passing them directly as arguments to higher-order functions like map and filter, which maybe we'll see soon. 4. Key limitations. Lambdas are limited to a single expression. You cannot include multiple statements, complex control flow like if-else blocks, or multiple lines of code. They are suited for simple, quick, one-off operations. To summarize, Lambda functions provide a clean, concise way to define simple operations without formal function definitions. We will see their true power when we use them to streamline sorting and filtering operations. Our next lecture 13.02. Lambda, cube of a given number. See you there.